Hi guys, welcome and welcome back on my channel. As you've already probably noticed, my March theme is going to be coffee. I personally love coffee and I'm not sure if you know, but I'm Italian. And here in Italy, coffee is something sacred. We are really proud of our coffee and our culture about coffee. Here in Italy, and mostly in the south, we start drinking coffee at an early age. For example, my mom always told me that her father, so my grandfather, let her drink coffee for the first time when she was 10 years old. And I know it can be pretty odd for you, and it's not my case, because I think that the first time that I drank coffee, I was something like 15 years old, and it was when I attended school. I always didn't pay a lot of attention to the lessons, and so when we had our break, I always had my coffee. Before continuing our little chat, I wanted to talk about Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for people who want to learn from educational videos. You can find thousands of classes that go from hand lettering, digital art, the use of Procreate or other drawing tablet app, bullet journal classes, social media managing classes, business classes, and many more. So it has everything that you can think of. It's a monthly subscription service and it costs $10 per month, and it's very cheap for art classes. I can give you 2 free premium months so that you can try it and see if it's something that you can find useful. It's free for commitment, so for example, if you decide to keep using it, you don't have to pay anything. So if you want to give it a try, I have a code that you can find down below so that you can use it to sign it. My cover page was inspired by the one created by Amanda Lee. I really love the doodles of this theme. I think that the different type of coffees are really cute and they are really easy to make. On my Instagram, I'm going to film a video where I'm going to show you how to create step by step these coffees. So if you want to know how to make them, follow me there. I have always loved monochromatic theme. In fact, as you already noticed, I'm not going to use a lot of black, just on some of my headers, and I'm mostly using my brown fine liner from Monami Plus 3000, where I'm going to link all of the stationery items that I'm going to use in the description box. I tried to keep this theme pretty simple. My favorite theme was a watercolor theme, and it's not that my doodles my clouds were difficult, but of course maybe not everyone know how to use watercolors, so I wanted to create something that everyone could recreate. And if you happen to do so, please tag me on Instagram so that I can see your beautiful recreations. As for my habit trackers, I was heavily inspired by my friend Jean Journals. I think in January she made these circle habit trackers, and when I saw them, I immediately know that I wanted to recreate them, and so here they are. I found them really pretty. I can't wait to use them and see how they are going to fill out at the end of the month. And for my sleep tracker, I was inspired by Anna Journals. I found her sleep tracker to be beautiful and something that I've never saw, and I wanted to try it too. I think that at the end of the month, this tracker would be really beautiful. It's not easy, but I always try to find different spreads to make. First, because I get bored pretty easily, and then because I want to show you different layouts for the same spreads. For example, habit trackers, sleep tracker, monthly calendar, etc. Because I don't want to repeat the same thing over and over, changing just the theme or the colors. I really love how this theme turned out. It's simple but cozy, and I've never really used browns on my journal, and I don't know why, because I love brown. Well, I love warm browns, so this was the perfect occasion to pull off this color using a coffee theme. And I hope you have enjoyed it and found some inspiration. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me, so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you have some suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. And see you next time. Thank you again for watching. Bye bye.